is our back counter. Every table has a dot on the back counter. If you are sitting at that table, that is where your tray is going to be put back. So we have 3 of them on this side, purple, blue, and green. And then like you saw the other ones, black, yellow, pink, and red. So Miss Lawson, make sure if I tell you to go put your tray back, it is going on that big dot. So if this is my job, I take my tray off the red table. I'm going to look for the red circle. I'm going to lay my tray on the red circle. And if it's my turn, then I'm going to take the house, pick it up off the tray right here in this little sink, our paintbrush sink. There is an orange bucket with soap and water. You take your house, you just dump your tippies, just like that. Then you take your house, put it back on your tray. So when Miss Lawson tells you to make sure that you dump your tippies in the pool, that is where the pool is. It's the orange bucket over here by the paintbrush sink.